Welcome back to the channel, guys and girls. Thanks for joining me on this not too shabby Sunday. We had some really nice blue sky actually. Good sign of things to come. However, it's meant to rain tomorrow, so do what we can. Now, continuing off my last video, if you recall, I might have stumbled on a run of nuggets along this track here. So I thought I'm going to continue along here. There's got to be more here. There's been a bulldozer that gone on that side. I think this might have been the previous track at some stage, and that was the new track. So anyway, I should detect that other little triangle in here, and maybe even across the side here. We'll just see what happens. But you wouldn't guess this really. There's just so much scrub here. I mean, there is some quartz, but you got to try, don't you? You can't just look at a spot and think, nah, it's no good without trying. So hence the reason I stumbled across this little run of nuggets. So I'll have a go. 6,000. Big pick, or biggish pick, medium sized. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so it hasn't been long at all since I started detecting, and I'm gonna pick this up without, oh, there she is. This is a bit of gold. Let me clean it up for you. Not a bad little chunk at all. And now let me just put that somewhere safe. And that's a bit of rubbish. So where it was in this bit of clay here. But what I did is, not sure if you can see that, but see how there's this layer here, and then there's this layer of, I want to say, old decomposing like leaf litter, that sort of thing. I reckon that's been pushed up and placed over the top when the bulldozer's gone through here. Usually there's not gold in there. It's usually rubbish in that sort of top layer, but there can be gold in it. So I dug through that. Once I started digging through that layer and into the, I want to say this is the natural ground, that's when I started getting a bit excited. So the ground here is starting to get a bit deeper as I've gone down this track here. I've been noticing I've been starting to find some bullets a bit deeper. However, it's not too deep that I'm not finding gold. So maybe that's something to keep in mind, guys. I'm going to pick up this nuggie, bring him home with me. Happy about that. Thanks guys, see you on the next one. There's a nice tree hollow here too. Make a good, could make a good animals shelter, nest, whatever. Bird's nest up there. Things you see, eh? Don't get this in the city. See you next time. Okay, so I'm not 100% of this one. It's right next door to the one I just dug up. But it seems to be saying there's a deep target there. I know there is trash right up here, so I'm hoping it's not picking up that trash from over there, but we'll give it a scratch. Okay, so I'm not 100% of this one. It's right next door to the one I just dug up. but it seems to be saying there's a deep target there. I know there is trash right up here, so I'm hoping it's not picking up that trash from over there, but we'll give it a scratch. So I've taken off that that previous deposit of clay. Still saying there's something there, but I'm hoping it's not picking up the phone or the camera. So we'll just give that a bit more of a scrape. If it starts to sharpen up, like not a broad mellow sound, but if it starts to sharpen up where you can, then you know it's going to be a smaller smaller nugget or bit of lead. Oh, low battery. Yeah, that's definitely sharpened up. It's right up in here, so and it's in that, let's say it's a virgin layer. Until proven otherwise, I'm going to say it's a virgin layer. Alright. That's definitely sharpened up. And I'll just give that a bit more of a scrape. Yeah, so she's out of the hole. And that sounded nice. You beauty. Right. Get the scoopy out. This scoop's seen a lot of gold. First scoop too. I know. Hope you can see that. Anyway, let's just get it. Alright, so she's on the coil. Now there's usually one or two ways you can recover a target. You can either use a scoop method where you put half in your hand, go over it. If it's not there in the scoop, chuck it, put another half. That works, but what I like to do when I get it to a smallish sort of bit of gold or bit of dirt, whack it on the top of the coil, because of course the coil is on the top is just as sensitive as on the bottom. And that's gold. Oh, you ripper. I'm hoping that that's going to focus in on that. I really am. I've got to wash that up. Hang on, there's a puddle over here. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a specie. It's a specie. Okay. Let's just pick you up here. Let's have a look at what we got. That's gold. That's nice. Straight out of the reef. The reef is running up through here. And I reckon I know why that's been missed, because there's trash planted all around here. You beauty. That was down a bit too. Probably 15 minutes into me outing today, guys, and that's my second nugget. I'm stoked. Sun's out, guns are out. It's not nice not to wear a jumper for a change too. Alright guys, Ful-O Gold out. We'll keep on swinging. And I think that gold, let's have a look at the other side. So focus. See, there's that, and it goes right through to the back here. Take some pictures and show you. Alright, I'll do another live dig for you guys. Got this small target right here. So let's have a scrape with the foot. If it's gone, I'd say it's going to be a bit of lead, a bit of rubbish. And that's still there. Still could be rubbish, guys, but we gotta dig it. Okay, let's go. Well, that's a good sign. Bit of quartz right there. Not in that. Yep, straight bang right on top of this quartzy ground. Where's my detector? It's out now. I'm going to use a scoop for this one. Not there. Not there. Not there. Not there. Not there. Let's see what. Probably a good idea to eliminate the big chunks first. Now I think it's going back towards me. Alright, we got it. In the scoop now, guys. Still there. Alright, I dropped. It's gold. It's a specie. I'll wash it up in the puddle again. Handy having a puddly. Probably washed it off, didn't I? No, it's still there. I don't see any visible gold in that, but that is a specie. I will. Oh yeah, I can see a little bit. Let's see. Hopefully the camera will pick this up, but it's right in the middle where my fingernail is, thumbnail. No complaints there, guys, no complaints at all. We got 1, 2, 3. That was rubbish too. Let's go get him.